Z28, an exotic Camaro that runs with the most advanced high-performance sports coupes in the world. Performance powered by a gutsy 5-liter V8 engine, standard. Dressed for action with functional rear spoiler and lower body ground effect panels all around. Held to the road with sport-tuned shocks and stabilizer bars and Goodyear Eagle GT radials. Z28, a designation you've probably seen many times, especially from the rear. Meet the Camaro iroc-z. It's all Z28, only meaner, with extra rear stabilizer bar, Delco Bilstein gas-filled rear shocks, and massive 16-inch cast aluminum wheels with matching Goodyear unidirectional radials. Then, add the available two-port fuel-injected 5-liter V8 for the most power available in a Camaro. This is Camaro iroc-z. Now, meet the 1986 Camaro Sport Coupe with an available multi-port fuel injection V6 engine and additional value enhancement features like 15-inch styled rally wheels, P215 black letter Eagle GT tires, and the performance suspension of a Z28. Berlinetta, the most elegant of all Camaros. The 1986 Chevrolet Camaros, proof positive that Exotica wears a Chevy bow tie.
If you are in the stage lanes, if you're going to be making passes with us this afternoon, we know it's hot out there, we really do, but please, please, please turn off your air conditioners. We don't want water on the track. Please think of your fellow competitors. Thank you.